If you're an off-road enthusiast and love the products from GearAmerica, but maybe you don't go in a Jeep or side-by-side, you might need something a little bit smaller. The Mega Duty Snatch Block might be a little overkill, but if you had a smaller Smart Snatch Block, it would be perfect for ATVs. Like on the Rubicon, with this front little compartment, you could store the snatch block and 2 shackles inside. In the rear, you could store a tree saver strap or even just a smaller tow strap to help get you out of a sticky situation. Either way, we love these products from GearAmerica. They're definitely made to last. And the smaller snatch block would certainly be a welcome option for the ATV community.